In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos from your USB drive to your laptop. So let's do it. First of all, you just need to connect this USB drive to your laptop. So here you can see I just connect it on my laptop. Right now, my USB drive automatically opened on my laptop. If it's not open, just go to this PC. Here you can see. Right now here you can find your USB drive. So here you can see, simply select it, and after open you can see this is photo. So I just copy it from here. So after copy, so you just need to paste it on your laptop drive. So that's it. In this way, you can very easily transfer photo or images from your USB drive to your laptop. Thank you everyone for watching.